Pendulum Push is the intermediate to advanced technique of the Keen Fit walking system. It is similar to the traditional Nordic walking technique and is best used after you have warmed up and when you are on more even and harder compact surfaces like roads, sidewalks, and pavement. Although it is best not to be used for going downhill. Because of the angle of the poles and your arms, this technique can be a great workout, propelling you forward and increasing your gait, yet if done less aggressively, it can also be fun and easy for the beginner. Pendulum Push got its name because of the pendulum swing action of the arms from the shoulder and from the push-off action of the poles off the ground. The key is to keep your arms straight in a shallow swinging arc from the shoulders, swinging like a pendulum forward, no higher than your belly button, planting and pushing off with the poles as far back as your bum. The further back you go, the further and faster forward you'll move. Remember to relax your shoulders, keep your arms straight, and push off.